Do you just keep on going through your days kind of uninspired and every day melds into the other and feel like all the jobs you do at home nobody really notices? And by the end of the day, you're feeling like, what did I even get done that mattered? Hi, I'm Rita. I'm a 63-year-old mother of four, a homeschool mom, and my children are now grown. I have 16 grandchildren on the earth, 2 in heaven, who I ask their help all the time. And it's just a different season for my life, and I felt nudged to start a YouTube channel and share some of my inspiration. I'm a strong Christian, and I'm always looking for heaven. Where is heaven? You take a trip, you're looking for it to be like heaven. I have lots and lots of gardens, which I will share with you, and you're looking for that heavenly beautifulness that we're not going to have heaven here on earth. It's true, but we can make our lives heavenly and beautiful. And if that sounds like something that you would like and you need some inspiration, my channel is going to be all about things from organization and cooking lovely things, setting a beautiful table, and decorating your home on a budget. I flip furniture, I flip everything because when you're on a budget, and my husband was a self-employed contractor, then it's just difficult to be able to just go out and buy whatever you want. So I would do a lot of secondhand shopping. A lot of people in my life probably didn't think that was too lovely, but I could turn things into loveliness, and I'm hoping that that inspires you. I'm sure that your life on earth is full, and if you take a few minutes to be with me, we will have a reflection, a little bit of prayer, and a lot of inspiration. And so if that sounds like something that you would like to do, come along with me on my journey on the earth. Maybe we can inspire each other. All right, have a great day, and check out my next video. I'm super excited to show you what I'm doing, changing my summer home into my fall Tuscan kitchen and bathroom. And we have a vineyard here on our 26 acres in the rolling hills of Wisconsin, and we're about to go into harvest. So I'm excited to share all of my harvesting with you and how I change my decor and all of it. So, okay, have a great day and come along on this journey with me. Bye-bye.